Hello friends, so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant sweet appams. This is a very healthy and an instant snack recipe. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Then add half cup of semolina or Rava, half cup of powdered Jaggery and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Then add 1 cup of water little at a time and mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. Now we have the perfect consistency, so close it with a lid and let this rest for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and our appam batter is nice and thick. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well. Now our instant sweet appam batter is ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, add 1 scoop of the appam batter. Keep the flame in medium till the end. Pour some hot oil on top so that the appams puff up. When one side is done, flip it to the other side and again cook for a minute. Now both sides are well done and ready, so let's now remove it. Now our healthy instant sweet appams are ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, healthy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this instant sweet appams recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.